Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Grok AI high demand error and what you can do if Grok AI is not working properly. So this issue usually happens when too many people are using the service at the same time. But there are a few simple things that you can try before giving up. So the first thing to do here is to completely close the Grok AI app. If it is running in the background, remove it from your recent apps and then open it again after a few seconds. Sometimes a fresh restart is enough to reconnect to the service and clear temporary problems. And if the error is still there, check your internet connection by switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or connect to a different Wi-Fi network if one is available. A more stable connection can help the app communicate with the servers without any interruptions. So another option here is to wait a few minutes before trying again. So since this error is often caused by heavy traffic, the servers may start working normally once the demand goes down. And after waiting, reopen the app and see if the problem has been resolved. And if nothing has changed, open the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Grok AI. And if an update is available, install the latest version because keeping the app updated can fix bugs and improve its connection with the service. So hopefully one of these solutions help you get Grok AI working again. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.